I'm Kelsea Brennan-Wessels, and you are watching Earth from Space on the European Space Agency Web-TV. The Sentinel-1 radar composite image takes us to the northeastern tip of Ellesmere Island, where the Nares Strait opens up into the Lincoln Sea in the Canadian Arctic. The image was created by combining 3 radar scans from Sentinel-1, captured in December, January, and February. Each scan has been assigned a color, red, green, and blue, and create this colorful composite when combined. Colors show changes between acquisitions, such as the movement of ice in the Lincoln Sea, while the static landmass is gray. The obvious distinction between the red and yellow depicts how the ice cover has changed over the 3 months. The maximum extent of Arctic sea ice hit a record low this winter. Scientists attribute the reduced ice cover to a very warm autumn and winter, exacerbated by a number of extreme winter heat waves over the Arctic Ocean. In the center left on the land, we can see a straight, dark line with a circle at its left end. This is the runway for Alert, the northernmost known settlement in the world. Inhabited mainly by military and scientific personnel on rotation, Alert is about 800 kilometers from the North Pole. A team of researchers on the Cryovix Karen campaign was recently in Alert, validating sea ice thickness measurements from the Cryosat satellite and testing future satellite mission concepts. Taking off from Alert, the team flew 2 aircraft equipped with instruments that measure sea ice thickness at the same time the satellite flew some 700 kilometers overhead. The measurements from the airborne campaign will be compared to the satellite measurements in order to confirm the satellite's accuracy. A team will also make ground measurements of snow and ice along the Cryosat ground track in April. Ground campaigns like this provide a wealth of data that help scientists better understand how the Arctic is changing and, ultimately, how climate is changing. And that brings us to the end of this edition of Earth from Space. Remember that we broadcast online every Friday at 10 o'clock Central European Summer Time. Watch us on our website at www.esa.int. From the ESA Web-TV studios, have a great day.